Alright guys, Gage has another fish on. Okay guys, day 4, 5, something like that, I think it's 5. Day 4 we didn't do anything. We're using this as our bait. It's just some little fishies that met their poor demise. We're gonna cast a rod out there and we'll see how it goes. So if y'all are true fans, then you would know that I lost my phone on this trip, and I am filming this on my mom's phone. Well, I got a new one, so expect to see more content. On day 5, we weren't able to get the kayak out because the waves are just utterly insane right now. I already tried to take it out before, and I got demolished, and I flipped around and stuff. So maybe we can get the kayak out later, but right now I'm just offshore casting it. Maybe we'll catch a fish, hopefully we do. So day 5 had been going pretty badly. We haven't caught anything this day. But then, finally, Camden hooked on to a fish. Oh yeah!
That looks like the same one.
Oh yeah! That's a black tip, Camden. The one I caught was a bull.
Reel it in more. Yeah, you caught a bull. I need the black.
You want to try and get this guy out? He looks a little bit easier. You got to get on top of it. And we finally landed a fish that day. Technically, it's a shark, but who cares? This fish was pretty good. It was about, probably, I would say, maybe 5 or 6 pounds. So, good job, Camden.
Hold it away from me so it looks bigger.
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Yeah! Alright, release it.
Release it.
But then after Camden caught his shark, something very strange had decided to bite on our line. Something that I honestly would never expect to catch down here because we never have. Apparently, Mr. Brian had only seen this fish once.
Oh my god. She's struggling. Oh my gosh. Hey, get that in. Guys, don't lose that. What is that? No, come on, back up, back up.
Keep blocking it.
No, it's not. Come back, come back. No, it's come back. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, we have to get that camera. We have to get on that camera. When I saw that, I knew it was.
Now, I don't know about y'all, but I was absolutely shocked when Maddie pulled up a stingray. I mean, this thing didn't even have a barb, but it was so cool. I mean, I don't know what kind of stingray this is. Comment down below if you know what kind of stingray it is, but it had to be at least 14, 15 pounds. And then the day just kept getting better. After using the cast net for a long time, I finally caught some mullet on it. We're using these guys as bait, and we're gonna
Yeah, we just caught stingray. Yeah, she just caught stingray. One.
I have 2 now. I can put 2 up on.
I'm not gonna fuck it.
No, don't release it. Somehow it's day 7, and Gage now has a massive fish on. Like, a big fish, guys. This thing was massive. You just gotta wait and see. It was an epic fight, and honestly, it was one of the biggest redfish that I've seen caught out of the Gulf. Honestly, I'm so happy for Gage. That was his first redfish ever. You go, man. That was a big fish, dude. Good job. But the day was not done yet, and Gage had just hooked on to another fish. Crazy, right? I know. This time, it wasn't that big, but it was still not a bad fish. That doesn't help, Camden. Oh, go! Take it! In a moment of pure excitement, I go over to my rod, set the hook, but...
Y'all are tangled. That's why.
And there you have it. Your part 2 is over. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, let's give a round of applause to Gage for catching that big old redfish. Fish and Rice Fishing. Go check him out. I actually did catch a shark, but I lost the footage along with my phone, so yeah, I'm not able to show that. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. See y'all later.